for Coursera to glow the LED by controlling the LDR, light intensity of LDR. So LDR is a photoresistive device whose resistance varies with the light falling on it. When more light will fall, then resistance will be less. In complete darkness, resistance will be very high. In complete darkness, resistance will be very less in this LDR. So this is the LDR I have chosen. I am using online simulator for Arduino, that is from tinkercad.com. Since due to lockdown I am not able to purchase the hardware. Okay, so you can see this is a device and connection from LDR. This LDR is a type of resistance, a variable resistance whose resistance varies with the brightness. And this is one resistance, this is second resistance, and it is a voltage divider circuit. The LDR, one part of the LDR is connected to 5 volt, another part is connected to ground through resistance R1, and the same part is connected to the analog input. So in case of complete darkness, the resistance will be high, very high, let's say infinity, and this will be open circuit and no voltage will occur here. Okay, in case of complete brightness LDR, in ideal case it will be short circuited and this complete 5 volt will occur here. So and in between there will be some sort of voltage here. So more the brightness, more the voltage, less the brightness, less the voltage. Okay, so let's come to the circuit. I have here taken one LDR, one LED to show this experiment. The one part of the LDR is connected to the 5 volt, as this circuit I have already shown, and another part of this LDR is connected to the ground through this resistance R1. This resistance value is 10 kilo ohm. Now same part is connected to the A0, pin number A0 of analog pin of my Arduino. Okay, this part is, this complete line is actually 5 volt, this complete line is actually ground. Now the LED is connected to the digital pin number 13. This is the output pin, and one part of the LED is connected to the ground. Okay, you can see the complete circuit here, complete connection diagram. Now let's come to the code. I have declared two variables, sensor pin and LED pin. So I have declared sensor pin as A0 and LED pin as a 13, and sensor value one variable as a 0. Now white setup. So I have declared LED pin as output, means pin number 13 of my Arduino as output, and sensor pin A0 pin as input. And I am also using serial begin. To use serial monitor, I am taking baud rate of 9600. Let's come to the main program. So first line, sensor value is equal to analog read sensor pin. So actually it is reading the value which is coming in A0. So what is coming to A0? A0 is taking the value of this value. This analog voltage is coming to the A0. Actually this digitized version of this analog voltage will occur here. So it will any integer value from 0 to 1023 in between. If for complete brightness this value will be 1023, for complete darkness this value will be 0, and rest of the value will be in between. So second, I have taken the serial pin dot print to monitor what value is occurring here coming at this point A0. We will see later. Now sensor value, I am using one threshold value to 100. If my voltage is less than 100, means for very dark case, if voltage value is less than 100 means digital value of 100 means value is very less, then LED will be high, otherwise LED will be low. So this if else program is showing, if there is very less brightness then turn on the LED, if brightness is very high then turn off the LED. So just run the code, start the simulation. One slider will appear here. This slider shows that at this extreme point complete darkness, and when slider is at here at complete extreme right, this shows the complete brightness, more light. So you can see at this point LED is not glowing. When I put the slider here, the LED will start glowing. Okay, so this point at complete darkness the LED is glowing. You can also see from serial monitor the value, what value is coming on this A0 pin. Let's say if I increase the slider value of slide the value, then this is the point. So you can check this value is approximately 1000. Okay, and in between it will come to the approximately 500. Let's say the middle, so value is approximately, let's 870 is showing. Okay, so if I move this pointer here also, then value will be less. So this value will be decreases. Okay, you can see this value is decreasing. So this is my program. Thank you very much.